Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the most innovative beauty products to elevate your routine. Today, we have something that promises to make your lips pop with a multi-dimensional shine: the LORAC Luxe Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Summerfling. This gloss is designed to provide a glossy finish while offering a smooth, non-sticky texture, perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of shimmer without the uncomfortable residue. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The LORAC Luxe Diamond Lip Gloss is a high-gloss liquid makeup that comes in a sleek, easy-to-apply tube. This gloss is known for its luminous shine, giving your lips a sparkling, multi-dimensional effect, and it's designed to glide on effortlessly. The texture is described as silk-like, which is essential for those of us who love a glossy finish, but despise the sticky feeling that comes with some other glosses. The formula promises long-lasting wear, but how does it really perform in real-world testing? Now let's talk about my experience with this gloss. Applying it was incredibly smooth. No tugging, no unevenness. The color Summerfling is a beautiful soft nude with a hint of pink that's perfect for day-to-night wear. What I appreciated most was the texture. It feels very light on the lips, almost like a lip balm, which made it easy to wear throughout the day without feeling like I needed to reapply every few minutes. Plus, it didn't leave that sticky residue you can get with other high-gloss formulas. I wore it during a busy workday, and while the shine did fade a bit, it still looked fresh even hours later, which is a win in my book. But of course, no product is perfect. One thing I noticed was that while the shine is stunning, it's not as intense as some other glosses I've tried. If you're looking for a gloss that packs a real punch of shine, this might not be the one for you. It's still beautiful, just more subtle. The packaging, though stylish, could be a bit easier to control during application. Sometimes a little too much product comes out, which means you have to wipe off the excess. When it comes to value for money, this gloss is a bit on the higher end, but considering the luxury brand and the smooth, non-sticky formula, it's certainly worth it for those who want a quality product that delivers on texture and comfort. I wouldn't say it's a steal, but if you're a fan of LORAC or you want a high-shine gloss that won't feel like you're wearing glue on your lips, this is definitely a solid option. In terms of alternatives, there are some more budget-friendly glosses out there that can provide a similar high-gloss shine, but if you're looking for a product that feels luxurious, this one is hard to beat. The closest competitor might be something from Fenty Beauty or Glossier, but LORAC's formula gives that luxe feeling that some of the more affordable options miss out on. If you're someone who prefers a gloss with a bit of sparkle but doesn't want that heavy, sticky sensation, this LORAC Luxe Diamond Lip Gloss may just be your new favorite. It's easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and gives a beautiful, subtle shine that works for both casual and dressed-up looks. So what do you think? Does this lip gloss sound like your type of product? Or are you sticking with something else? If you've used this gloss, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss out on more reviews like this one. We really appreciate your support. You can also find the link to purchase the product in the comments or description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.